Raise the flag. Gail will raise the flag again. It is the main part of the day. The class waits. They say the pledge out loud. Read the story. Highlight the 7 words with the long A sound spelled A-I or A-Y. Now what will they do? Soon they will count. They will use brown paint. They may read one story. Underline the 3 words with the same vowel sound as cow. The flag must come down. How will Gail take it down? No one makes a sound. Both Gail and the class like their flag. Highlight the 4 words with the same vowel sound as cow.